What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to host your WordPress website locally on your PC or your Mac, your computer generally, without the need of an online hosting service. So let's get right to it. First of all, why you would need to do such a thing, to host your website or your WordPress website locally on your computer instead of an online hosting service such as Hostinger and other services. Well, first of all, you might need to test things out, to continue editing your WordPress website and test if it works for you without paying first to an online hosting service. The second thing, obviously, is that you won't need to pay for an online hosting service. You won't need to pay for hosting fees and stuff like that. And maybe you just want to edit or finish editing your WordPress website before uploading it to an online hosting service. So you want to do everything locally and have the freedom to do so without worrying on online hosting fees and stuff like that. So there are many apps and many ways to do so. However, the way that I'm going to show you in this video is through a service called Local by Flywheel. To access the website, you need to go to localwp, or local word stands for localwordpress.com, and you'll be redirected to their website right here. You can scroll down and see why you would want to do this and the benefits of the platform or the website that they offer you. And what you want to do is to install their app. Now you can download it here for free, or you can get WordPress hosting if you want to, online hosting. If you click on download, I've already downloaded the app itself here. So let's go ahead and refresh this page to start from scratch. And if you click here on download, you want to first select your platform. So it's available on Mac, Intel or Mac with silicon chips, Mac M1, M2, M3, Windows or Linux. So I'll select Mac Silicon here. Now I'll need to enter my first name, last name, my organization type, and work email. And once I do so, they will automatically download the app. So here it's downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on it to install. And here I'm going to install it. Of course, the installation process will differ depending on your platform or the operating system that you are using. However, it's pretty straightforward. And now that it's installed, let's go ahead and open it. So I'm going to open it local. Okay. And it's verifying and will open soon. Okay, open. And here it'll open up the app and start the setup process. Okay, I agree. And now I need to create a free account on local. I can continue with Google, with GitHub, with email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my first name, email, password, and confirm password, and then create my account. Okay, and now that my account is created, I need to go to my inbox to verify my email account. So I'm going to do so pretty quickly. And once I verified my email and I'm redirected to the website's dashboard, my account's dashboard, I'm just going to continue the setup process. Okay, no thanks, don't want to enable user reporting or error reporting. Okay, and now once you open the app, you're greeted with this big button that says create a new site. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it to create a new site. So create a new site. Now you have an option to create a new site or create from a blueprint from with pre-installed elements. So I can choose whichever I want. Now I will here create a new site, and you can select an existing zip file or drag and drop it here to import your site. So if you already have a site, you can download it in a zip file from WordPress and add it here to local. Now continue. And here, what's your site name? Let's say how to simple test. And here you have advanced options. So they give you the local site domain and the local site path. You can browse it to change it if you want to. Now click on continue. Here you have the preferred methods and you have custom. In custom, you can manually select the PHP version, the web server, and the database. However, as a beginner, I highly recommend going with preferred here. And now continue. And now what you want to do is to add your WordPress username, your WordPress password, and your WordPress email here to continue the setup process. And here the advanced options is your WordPress multi-site, or if you are running multiple websites under your WordPress account. So here, if it's no, or yes, a subdirectory or subdomain. I'll leave it as default as it is no. And now all I want to do is add my WordPress username, WordPress password, and WordPress email that I'm signed with, and to continue the setup process. And once I've entered my username, password, and my website email, it'll start providing services and start importing my website here to the local, and I can start editing my website as I do normally, adding or editing themes and installing plugins and all I can do with the WordPress. And once I'm happy and I'm like edited my WordPress website, and if I want to move it to a local host, or sorry, move it to an online hosting service, I can do so with ease. Okay, so that it finished setting up, I can click here to open the WordPress admin or open the website to view it. I can here go to the site folder if I want to, and I can overview here the settings. So this is the site domain. I can click to change it if I misspelled or wrote it wrong. Here's the SSL, the web server, the PHP version, and all the settings that you want to. And if I go here to database, I can connect services like admin. I can view here the host, which is localhost. That means it's hosted locally, and the socket or the directory, database name, username, and password. And I can here click on pull to download or pull from remote, or to push here to push changes to my website. And now in the tools here, I have MailPit and I have the live links. I can log in to use it if I want to. And in the app as well, you have your local site, so you can have more than one website if you want. And here it says one website running, and I can stop all websites here. And if I go ahead and click on the plus icon, I can add a new website. If I have multiple websites, I can manage them all from within my local app here. I can go through the same website creation process to create a new site, or create from blueprint, continue to add a new website. And here I have the connect options. I can view the blueprints if I want to. I don't have any saved blueprints. I can view the add-ons. I can install add-ons here. I can view the add-on library, and I can view the installed add-ons. So in the library here, I have a few, and I can also create an add-on if I want to. And here I have the support, and if I go here, I have more from the WordPress engine. I can view them all if I want to. Now that's pretty much it. That's how you can host your WordPress website locally on local without the need to subscribe to an online hosting plan. And as I told you before, if you decided you changed all these settings and you built your complete website and now you think it's ready, you can move it to an online hosting plan if you want to. Nevertheless, this is a great option to have and a great tool to have in your WordPress website building arsenal to be able to, at any time, manage or move your hosting to your local computer.